Kia ora
peeps, and welcome to our new show, Unadulting.
with Chinks and Minks. And today we welcome our really beloved guest and my sister Elena D'Souza.
It is an honor to be on the show hosted by my two sisters,
You're welcome.
and we've been planning this from a long time, and finally it's happening. So thank you for having me.
Okay, so what are we going to talk about today? What's our topic for today?
But I've been told to prepare some questions on COVID life, so we're going to be talking on COVID life.
Oh, something that we've been dealing with for a year and a half now? A year? How long?
More than a year, right?
Year and a few months?
Yeah, and it
Yeah,
has
more than a
been
year.
hectic, irritating,
Boring.
boring. So many adjectives can be used.
Yeah, but it's been fun in few ways.
Yeah,
Maybe.
probably.
Maybe not. I don't know. In the beginning, it was fun. We used to play games and all that. Play snakes and
Yeah.
ladders and carom and whatnot.
Yeah.
Ludo got like really famous.
Yeah, Ludo King, I still remember. Then what else?
Then,
Among Us was popular for some time.
yeah, that was like the peak.
Yeah. But it died so fast enough.
Discord spoiled it, to be honest. Like, if there wasn't Discord, Among Us would still be interesting, but people started cheating on Discord, and that I did not.
Yeah.
People used to, and because of that, I
Oh,
started
of course
hating.
not. Yeah.
I hating the game. It got really boring after that.
We used to play it in class. It was fun. Then it got boring. Then what else did you guys do in COVID?
I got to go to college. You guys didn't.
Yeah. Okay, so which grade are you?
So,
Yeah.
like the peak.
Which grades were you in when you started? When COVID started?
I was in 12th grade, and I remember when the lockdown began, the first one, it began on the day I had my English exam, board exam.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
and
sad.
then my English exam was postponed, and we thought it would never happen, but apparently it did. And I wrote an exam during COVID, many exams during COVID.
That's sad. Mine started
Yeah.
on the lockdown started the week after my 10th board exams. So I was in 10th standard. It was fine. We didn't have
And now
to
you're
like
in 12th.
Yeah, now I'm in 12th. It's crazy.
Yeah.
I was
So
in
Navina,
school when
which
COVID
grade were
started.
you in? Sorry, Minx, which grade were you in?
I was starting 10th.
You were starting 10th, so you were in 9th.
No, I was in 10th.
Oh, you were in 10th. Okay. You were beginning 10th.
Yeah.
So it's been the greatest impact for Carol.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't get to like attend school like at all. I attended like 3 days of college. Not college, high school, but same thing.
At least you went, okay? There are people who didn't.
Yeah,
But
like
it was
me.
3 days. It was just for practicals. It made no sense.
Yeah. Whatever.
Hmm.
I stayed
So-
in college for 3 months.
Yeah, for viewers who don't know, Elena's doing MBBS first year.
Yeah.
Considering we are on the topic of education, let's talk about the cancelled board exams.
Yeah. Hello. Welcome
Yeah,
me
and-
back.
And so Navina was impacted the most by this.
It was a happy.
We weren't. We finished ours.
I was happy about it.
Why?
I don't know. Boards is always supposed to be stressful, and then that being cancelled helped us.
Yeah, you didn't get to write math exam. It's not fair.
Yeah, that is one more very happy part.
But they put out the marking criteria, no, for 12th grade also now.
Yeah,
Who didn't get to write the boards.
but it's still not fully clear, like somewhat.
Yeah. So Elena, what are your views on this?
On COVID.
Not on COVID, on exams being cancelled.
On exams being cancelled, I would say kind of unfair. I feel it's unfair because I had to give exams too during COVID. I gave multiple exams during COVID, including the exam which like my whole life is based upon, that was NEET. And yeah, so I feel it was unfair to me and to my fellow batchmates, but it's fine. I think yeah, whatever decision has been taken is what had to be taken. So I
Yeah.
agree with the decision. But obviously, what?
It isn't a very good thing also in one perspective.
Yeah.
Like the marks you get now
I
is
mean,
not
you
based on
should
your
have
effort,
practice.
even like 10th or 12th.
Is not based on your.
Effort, like the marks they give is based on internals and all, which I don't think is that good.
Okay. What I feel is that okay, so you think you could have done better if the board exams were held.
Yeah, because honestly I prepared.
Okay. Yeah. But I feel yeah, as I said, I am a little jealous. Tell me your views on exams and all that.
I don't know. All our exams were online, so I don't know. Most we had online school. I don't think anybody studied anything. At least most of them, a lot of them didn't. So I don't know. It's a
But
weird
you
thing.
still have exams in 12th.
Yeah, we'll have exams. I think the COVID will reduce by the time we are writing exams. So I don't think we'll have a choice. What was your feeling like, Navina, when the exams were announced? When it was announced that the exams were cancelled
For
for
this
this
year.
year, what was like your initial reaction?
I was shocked because we had already got the timetable and everything.
Huh.
But like it took 2-3 minutes to calm down, and then like I spoke to all my friends that very moment, and everyone was very happy. Like toppers also were happy it's cancelled.
And then 10 minutes later, I was getting calls.
Yeah, I called her and I called other relatives and everyone and told that boards are cancelled.
Yeah. And we were all happy for her, to
I
be honest. But it was a shock when people told that 12th also was cancelled.
Yeah, the 12th cancellation was
Yeah.
announced like some
Yeah.
time back only, no?
That was
As we are
like,
recording this.
I don't know. That was like little saddening for me because if they can cancel this year's exam, why didn't they cancel when we had exams?
But it was one exam
That
for
was
you, no?
one exam, but
It's one
then
exam.
do you know like when I went to give the exam, it was the peak time of first wave of COVID. Yeah, right. So at that time,
Yeah.
it was really scary, and there were so many people. People promised there will be social distancing and no COVID and all that, but yeah, but there was no social distancing. And second of all, one of my close friends, whom I spent the whole day with, it was my mistake because I should have social distance myself. But still, I spent the whole day with that day. Then he turned out to be COVID positive and stuff. So then it was altogether another trouble. But we all wore masks. We made sure that we sanitized our hands every 10 minutes. Yeah, we made sure about all that. So then I was sure I didn't get the virus from it.
So, talking about COVID, let's talk vaccines. How many of you have taken vaccines here? How many of you are eligible?
I completed the first dose yesterday.
Any side effects?
Yeah. To all our viewers, we are not 18 yet. We can't take the vaccine. Only Elena can take the vaccine. So,
And I have
That's
taken the
that.
vaccine. And I must tell you,
so how are you feeling after the vaccine?
I still feel pretty sick.
Yes.
My arm hurts. My body hurts. I've been sleeping
Oh.
since morning. So yeah, I feel sick. And this is
So you
not how
just
I
woke
look.
up.
Okay. Yeah, you can see by my look. And
Kids
I
can't
must tell you
see.
the-
They can't see, but we can see.
I must tell you the experience I had yesterday at the hospital was one hell of an experience. It was
Why
it
so?
was horrible. The
Why?
experience at the hospital yesterday, they made us wait like approximately 3 hours almost for one vaccine.
Huh.
And when I was in the line, yeah, it was good actually. The way they handled it was good. And there's nothing anyone can do, to be honest, because there were so many people to get the vaccine
Yeah.
in one day. But they could have had a better segregation of people who are like 18 plus, 45 plus, Covishield, Covaxin, and all that. I mean, it's a huge hospital. And I don't want to take the name of the hospital, but yeah,
Yeah, of course.
it's a
When we
very
get
famous
sued,
hospital in Bangalore. And the way it handled the COVID situation yesterday, I'm really disappointed with that hospital. I mean, there were two people giving vaccine to over 600
that's
people,
sad.
bro. Imagine.
That's sad. There were like only 2 people in
Yeah, there
total.
were two people. One person was giving one person was giving Covaxin and the other one was giving Covishield. My slot was booked between 3 to 5
That's
p.m.
sad.
and I got the vaccine at 6:30 after reaching the hospital at 4.
That's
And
sad. That's a long wait for a vaccine.
yeah, it's a very long wait. I mean, I'm scared I might have picked up the virus yesterday. Waiting. And the vaccine was overpriced also,
I
it
hope not.
seems. Apparently, but I'm not sure about that.
Oh.
But all private hospitals overpriced. Used to it.
Yeah.
But yeah, they could have increased the number of people giving a vaccine.
It's
Whatever. But right now, also, the staff is battling with the pandemic itself. So we can't argue with that, also.
yeah.
Yeah.
I think below 18 it'll take a longer time for us to get the vaccines.
Yeah.
For the people below
It has not
18.
been clinically tested to
Yeah.
that level yet. But my advice to everyone who's above 18, please go get yourself vaccinated because you need to.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that you don't spread it to others.
Or you can go out.
At
Like, you
least.
can give your parents
And-
the excuse, ki I'm vaccinated, nothing's gonna happen to me. Bye.
I don't think they'll allow you, but sure.
They're gonna allow
Yeah.
you
I have to
still.
go back to college anyway, so I had to take it. Yeah.
Huh. What is happening now? Are you guys having online school?
Yeah.
Online college?
Yeah.
Online college was a new experience for like all of us.
For me, it sucks.
It's a sad experience.
Yeah, I think I like the factor of a physical teacher being there and like
Yeah.
physical students being there.
Obviously.
Otherwise, it's just boxes on a screen.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't know. In the beginning, it was fun. It was interesting.
I mean,
now it's so
yeah. I mean,
Yeah, continue.
there are
It's so
people here who
monotonous.
haven't even met their classmates. I think both of you have not, right?
I don't know my class.
I told you I went 3 days. That's
I
sad.
A
at
whole
least
new
went to
But there are
college.
like yeah.
At least I went to college, met my friends and stuff.
Hmm.
But yeah.
How is that like? Was it online in the beginning or did it start directly as physical classes?
We had 1 month of foundation course online, and then we had to go to college on 1st
Yeah.
of February. Yeah, so then I started going to college from 1st of
That's
February,
nice.
and when the 14 days lockdown was announced in Karnataka, I decided to come back home rather than staying there. And it's
Huh.
And she never left.
yeah,
And you didn't leave since.
yeah. We're just waiting. It's been 2 months since I came home already.
Yeah. I think if you actually go to classes and then come back again, I think that's harder than if you sit on online classes for the whole year.
I mean, the place my college is situated in is like beauty in I don't know, it's paradise. And it's not very, it's very secluded, low COVID cases and all
Yeah,
that.
you're telling us very
So
well.
I enjoyed thoroughly. And after coming home, it's like only being at home. Uh, can't tell you how much that hurts for me now. But yeah, there's
Yeah.
nothing we can do. So, but
Yeah.
I don't feel like going back to college either.
Except get
So, but
vaccinated.
You don't feel like going back? Why?
obviously at home there's a greater comfort level. I get people to do stuff for me. There I'm
Hmm.
living all by my own, right? Yeah,
Yeah. How is that like living on your own?
it's good. I mean, at home right now, if I go out of the main door, there will be like five people in my house asking me where I'm going. There, if I go out, there's no one caring. I just have to sign a register and go out, right?
Yeah.
Here at
Yeah.
home, like you don't have to wash your own clothes or wash your plates or
Honestly, washing
anything.
clothes was not such a huge thing because I stayed there for like what, 4 months. And first two
Hmm.
months I brought clothes home to wash. I traveled so far
Yeah.
to bring clothes home to wash. And the next 2 months, there was no way I could come home because Bangalore was on high COVID alert. So it was fine actually. I started washing clothes on a weekly basis, and it
Hmm.
I could manage.
Hmm. To the viewers who don't know, we are from
Yeah.
Bangalore.
Yeah.
Not viewers, hearers.
How does it feel to have roommates you don't know?
Oh, uh, yeah. In the beginning, I was really scared of whom I'm gonna stay with, what I'm gonna stay with, and I mean, not what. Please cut that.
You
So basically, I was really scared.
know that's not
How?
going to
How?
get cut.
I mean, how? Yeah.
Mm.
How I'm gonna stay with them and all that. But
Hmm.
then later, I got to know they were two very sweet people, and I
Hmm.
found some really great friends in college.
Yeah, like you
Yeah, like
should.
everyone will. Yeah, so I
Yeah.
found great friends in college. We enjoyed. We went for treks, trips, so many things we did together. And coming back to the same old boring life at home, it's really, I don't know, it sucks.
Hmm. That's sad.
And I think your question was based on living with new people. It's all an experience. I think everything counts as an experience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I feel like a cricketer, giving the speech after playing. I do feel that.
Yeah, yeah. The boys played
Yeah,
well.
the boys played well. We expect to play better in the next inning.
What was what was COVID life like when it started? Like at the beginning, at the peak, whenever they said, like, people were scared. I still remember we were in our last exam. We had social science last board exam, and everybody was so scared. Half of them were wearing masks, and other people were making fun of the people who were wearing masks. They're like, "Why are you wearing masks?
I
It's not going to
remember.
come." And then
Ah,
after
yeah,
a week,
yeah,
everything went
true.
under lockdown.
So I
Yeah,
remember that.
I still remember that.
I remember that when COVID outbreak was announced, there were like 5 cases in the country, and that time it was announced in Bangalore also. And I had
Huh.
continuous board exams, and it was
Yeah.
Saturday, Sunday, and then on Monday we had English exam. So basically, on Saturday morning, I woke up thinking,
Yeah.
oh, I have to study for English exam on Monday because trust me, English is the most underrated subject. Okay, no one studies English. I did at
Hmm.
least. Yeah,
Yeah, of course.
but I
I don't
felt
think
like,
anybody does.
yeah, we just read English. We don't study English for the exam. So I
Yeah.
decided ki okay, now I have to get up and I have to
Yeah.
start studying. And then I read the news that there's one person who reported to India carrying the virus or something. And then I was like, oh my
Hmm.
God, what's gonna happen? It's gonna turn into a pandemic and stuff. And I still remember My grandmom and mom were downstairs in the kitchen. I ran down and told them ki there's virus and all starting. They were like, bro, you chill, nothing's gonna happen.
Hmm.
And yeah, the virus did prove them wrong in the long term.
Hmm. Any of your like close friends or relatives have gotten COVID?
Yeah,
Yes.
so many.
Yes. Yeah,
Not
I
so
not
many,
many relatives, but a lot of friends and their
Yeah.
families.
My friends have got
Friends.
relatives also. Like
Not my close like
my
relatives.
aunt got COVID.
Far off, yeah.
Aunt, well,
Yeah, oh yeah,
Oh.
my aunt got COVID.
yeah, not very close relatives. My friends in the hostel there was a COVID outbreak. That's why I decided to come home.
My
Oh.
sister
Yeah,
almost got
I
COVID.
almost got COVID. I really don't know how I'm tested negative. But yeah, I almost got COVID from so many sources.
Hmm.
And my luck has been really good in this pandemic, I guess. That's
Yeah,
it.
touch wood.
In my college, we have this duty given to us that we're given a set of patients every evening to call and find out how they are doing and stuff. And I have reported people
Hmm.
passing away at the age of 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I can't even imagine, like, I can't
At-
even be scared to call them nowadays, you know, that when we call them and they be like, they passed away. Before, I used to be scared. I
Can't
was
imagine
always
what that's
scared
like.
calling patients who were above 60 or something. But now I'm scared to call patients who are below 20 also.
Can't imagine what that's like, especially for
It's
doctors.
really
And
scary.
just to give
Yeah,
that
it's very
news.
scary.
Yeah.
The people I've seen suffering and all. So, what new things have you done, like learned or done during COVID?
Yeah. I think I am one of the more lazier people. So I didn't do that much. I think so many people have like a glow up and all that.
Not only glow up, like so many people have new hobbies.
I have a glow down during COVID.
Yeah,
I
and
put
so
on
many.
weight during COVID.
Yeah. I think a lot of people have put on like weight and stuff.
Yeah.
Because you're at home, you're not doing physical activity. You know, you're in school and stuff and you keep walking around or doing something.
In the
At home you can
first
eat
time,
whenever you want.
I was really into
Yeah.
it. Ki I have to lose weight. I started losing weight,
Yeah.
working out. You can ask Navina. I was like a freak. Now I'm
Yeah, yeah. Even now she does
I was
somewhat. Even now you work out somewhat.
yeah, not
At
as
least a
much as
little every
before.
day. It was a lot.
Yeah. We were really enthusiastic in the beginning. I still remember.
Yeah,
We were like, let's do this, let's get this done, let's have a new hobby, let's learn a new instrument.
yeah. Everyone
and
was
whatnot.
grateful for the time we got. Yeah.
Yeah. For the free time, like before the classes and all.
Yeah,
started.
and I used to concentrate on classes
we-
too, you know. It's not like now.
Now online classes are like,
Yeah. Everyone's used to
Actually,
it. now.
my classes started
Everyone's
before
used
first
to it
lockdown.
what?
My classes like online started way before all of y'all. So
Yeah. But you were also in 10th at that time. We had passed out. We had just written our board exams.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
it. Okay, we started this channel itself because of lockdown and corona. Like for years we used to be like we'll start, but we never did anything. Like finally, because we had holidays, we came, sat together, and started something at least.
I think we have met so
Yeah,
many
it's
times
like a lot
during the
before how
lockdown.
we used to ever meet.
Yeah.
Yeah, we used to meet
Party
like
Yeah,
at
or like a
someone's
wedding or
birthday
something.
party
It used to
or
be
something
not more
like
than
that.
twice a year, and during last year we met
Yeah.
like what, 4 times?
I think we got kind of closer during the lockdown, at least family.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, possible.
Like we
Yeah.
had road trips
I
and
think-
stuff also this time.
Yeah. I think when you're locked inside a house with those 4 or 5 people, you tend to get closer. I think I've heard like so many stories and stuff that I would not have heard otherwise if there was no lockdown.
Yeah, it gave you more time with your family, a lot more time. Like close ones.
Yeah. Annoyingly more time, but more time.
Yeah,
More time.
there's
I
words.
agree.
Like I got to know a
Yeah,
lot about
there's
people.
words. Yeah. I think people in general.
I've been waiting for this from like what, half an hour. So the next segment is Never Have I Ever,
Hmm.
the COVID-19 edition, and I have like made some questions.
Very juicy.
This-
question.
And if you guys want to add in, you can. Okay. Okay. So basically, Never Have I Ever is normally it's a drinking question where if you have done that thing, you take a shot. But since viewer discretion is also advised in this video, we can't take shots.
Hmm.
We are underaged here, like half of us.
Yeah, I'm also underage.
Yeah, actually.
Yes.
And also we are
We are not
like-
adults?
Yeah, please.
Yes. We don't drink. We
Yeah.
don't condone
if you're
drinking.
drinking-
Please don't drink, people. Be smart.
Invite me sometimes.
Do it at your own risk.
Okay.
Don't do it in front of parents. You're going to get whacked.
And people with the most number of I haves, they get to do a dare which will be seen in the next video.
Hmm.
Or okay.
Hmm.
They get to do a dare. They get to do whichever dare you put in the comment section.
In the next episode of Unadulting.
Everybody
Yeah.
in the next episode wish all the best to the rest of them.
And mostly it's actually Chinks and Minks channel, but if you want me to be invited, please put that also in the comments, because it takes a lot of convincing for these people to add me.
Yes, she forced us into allowing her into the show. She held a gun on our head and told us.
It was not forced, okay? It was not forced.
Okay, was not forced. I'll give you that.
Yeah. It was a mutual
Understanding.
that when I create my channel, these two will be invited.
Because I
Yeah.
have no course. other people.
Yeah.
In short, we have no
Okay.
friends and we rely on family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's
Okay,
start the game.
so-
Start the show.
Start.
Hmm.
I have totally 18 questions, okay? Which is gonna
So
be
will you be
really long,
participating?
but it's gonna be. Yeah, why not? Never
Yes.
have I ever gone out without a mask.
I have.
I have.
I always forget my mask. I always go out of the house and my mom screaming at me that I didn't wear my mask. I always
But
forget.
where did you go without a mask?
Like we were walking and I went down the whole road and then I had to come back and wear my mask. Also in the car.
I have done that.
Yeah.
Like I take my dog for walk.
Yeah.
When I used to take him for walk, like I went without the mask.
Yeah, even in the car. I'll be sitting
have
in the
gone-
car and then somebody will remind me that I'm not wearing my mask. So I have.
Okay. I have two, but it's only outside my own gate. So it's not that big a deal. Like,
Yeah.
it's just to my garden and back. Never have I ever spent a whole day in bed.
I have not.
Whole day, like
Carol has not.
No, I have not. I would
Like whenever the sun was shining in the sky.
for the
no.
No, I used to wake up.
Like I've got
No,
up
I
for
used to
some of the
wake
other
up-
reason.
I think I've woken up at like 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. but not the whole day in bed. If that's what the question was.
Like that.
The whole morning, yes. The whole day, no.
No, I mean, it's not sleeping in bed. Spend the whole day in your bed. Like, watch something or something.
No, I've not done
Not
that.
really. No.
No.
I think I
Alina,
would
you?
have.
Yeah,
I think I
agree.
would have
Because after my need days was insane. Like, I enjoyed
So
as
you
much
have.
as I could. So I think I would have. Never have I ever pulled an all-nighter.
Yeah, I have. I have many. Because I don't study during the day. I study at night.
Whoa. Carol
Only
studies,
during
bro.
exams, but that's that.
Wait, I forgot where that question is. Yeah. So Carol has. Navina?
Navina?
Till 5 a.m. is considered.
Of course.
Yeah, then I
Yeah.
have.
Yeah.
I think I would have binge watched something.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think even binge watching.
I don't study. Okay, so all three of us have. Okay, next. Never have I ever cut my own hair.
I have.
Yes.
I
This
have.
hairstyle, I cut my own hair so many times.
My
And
hair
And I
is
think
a lot
I'm getting
longer.
better at it.
I haven't, guys.
I
You
cut
haven't?
bangs in
haven't?
first lockdown.
I haven't.
How come you haven't? You growing
I
your
don't
hair?
trust my instinct. I don't trust my hands to cut my hair.
I did. I cut my brother's hair. I cut
I've given
my
my
mom's
hair
hair.
to my mom, but I haven't cut it myself.
I have.
Even I.
It's fun. Do it. Try it. Do
Don't
it
try
blind.
it actually.
Just put a ponytail and cut it off. Let it be
I
a
have
mystery.
curly hair, okay? You can't.
Let it be a mystery to everyone. You shouldn't know what's happening.
Ew. I have to go back to college. No. Never have I ever felt like I have COVID.
Yes, I have.
No.
I have.
No?
No, I don't think so.
I have felt like I have COVID the most number of times, I guess.
I felt
Yeah,
I
you
had
got yourself
COVID after
tested
my
out.
sister
Yeah,
came back.
so many times I've got myself tested in the last 5 months.
I've never got myself tested. How is that like?
It's irritating. It's
Oh, I got
painful, it's
tested once.
irritating.
Oh, I don't know.
I've got myself tested like 4 times this year.
This year, as in 2021?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, that's a lot of times.
since the second wave. Yeah, each time I go back to college, I have to produce submit a negative report. So each time I go back, I have to get tested. No, so I have been tested a lot of times. Okay. Never have I ever not showered for more than 3 days straight.
I haven't for at least
Yeah,
a week
I
or
have.
two. I mean, I have.
Okay, everyone hasn't showered. So now I have, I would have not.
Yeah.
3 days is a very short amount of time.
Honestly, yeah. Like, we
The
don't
question
go
should have
out,
been
we
1
don't do
week.
anything that makes us
I
sweat.
thought of putting 1 week.
1 week, but then it would get really gross. I don't think I have not. I think I have showered within 1 week.
I don't know. I'm not great at showering, so.
I don't want to speak about it.
Next.
Never have I ever spent over 2 hours watching reels.
I have.
I have. Guilty.
The initial question was TikTok, but we all know how that ended up. So
Yes.
I think even I would have. Oh, I spent 3 hours making a reel only.
Yeah, and I was there in that. I've never made a reel.
Oh,
I've spent so
Okay,
much time
never-
making a reel that I've never posted.
I haven't seen that then.
No. Nobody has seen it. I hope nobody sees it.
Okay.
Now Chinks will
Next.
send it to me after this.
No way.
Never have I ever learned cooking during the lockdown.
I have.
Yeah. I have. I think it.
I cook the same thing all the time. Pasta.
Yeah, but I think people had nothing else to do and they had to eat something, so everybody learned cooking. I think in the beginning
Okay,
it was all cakes and mug cakes and whatnot. Mug pizzas.
Oh, yeah.
Cakes
Yeah,
and
in the beginning, like,
whatnot.
there was that
Mug
Dalgona
pizza.
coffee
We
and
didn't
all.
talk about that.
In 2020. Mug cakes and Dalgona coffee.
Yeah,
Oh,
Dalgona.
Dalgona coffee was a nightmare. It tastes Okay, what are your views on dalgona
Oh,
coffee?
it was nice.
Okay, what
How
are we?
did you make
Too
it?
much sugar.
It tastes weird. I don't like coffee. To all the people who are listening, I
It tastes like whipped.
hate coffee and I hate milk. It wasn't a great thing for me. Yes, Navina, how did you like dalgona coffee?
I loved it.
Navina loves
I
coffee.
love coffee.
You loved it.
I loved it. I made flavors of dalgona, like chocolate flavored dalgona and all that.
I don't know. I think it was overrated.
Like, it was fun. We had no
I
other
think-
work.
Yeah, I had fun making it, but then it was a whole guilt trip to drink it because I know the amount of sugar I added in it.
Also, we don't have an electric whisk, so I had to whisk it by hand. That was like great arm workout.
All the best. I had an electric thing and it still took 15 minutes to whisk the whole thing. So
Yeah.
I felt it as a time waste.
But people who like it, like it.
Overall, it was okay. It was nice. I could try it once. Not more than that.
How about mug cakes and mug pizzas and mug whatever else?
Oh, that was amazing. I always have mug pizzas whenever I'm hungry. Mug cakes is like always in our house.
Yeah.
I think conceptually it's okay, but I don't necessarily like it.
Never have I ever gone to the hospital during a pandemic. The pandemic.
No, I have not. I didn't get sick and I didn't go to the hospital. Touch wood.
I have.
I have not.
I have.
You have?
Yeah.
Elena?
I've gone to the hospital like,
Oh yeah, you went for
4
the vaccine
times?
also.
yeah, including that some 4 times or 5 times I've gone.
But I've not.
And each time I went, I took precautions, okay? So chill. Never have I ever ordered food from outside.
Oh,
During the
everyone
pandemic.
has.
Of course.
Everyone has.
Of course.
I think I haven't.
You haven't?
I have.
I have. You know,
haven't.
not in the beginning, not in like the beginning stages. Probably around August and September of last year. You're gonna get bored eventually of the
I don't
food
think
made
so.
at home.
Also, like Swiggy and Zomato gives that 50% off notifications every day, so it's tempting.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Swiggy and Zomato, please sponsor us.
I have ordered.
No, I haven't, bro. I haven't ordered food during the pandemic at all.
I used to come back home and order,
I have.
honestly.
Oh, when you had like physical school.
Yeah. Like, I had 3 months of
That is-
offline.
And whenever I told my mom I wanted to order something, she made stuff for me.
Yeah, that's the
think we've
point. I
ordered
didn't tell my parents when I'm
pizza or
ordering
something.
stuff.
Never have I ever binge watched on shows.
I have.
Of course. I've binge watched so many shows.
Me too. I did binge watch so many. I haven't done those many in like all these years, but then this year just in
Yeah.
1 month. So many.
I think in the same night I
Okay,
did a
what was-
couple of shows.
What was the most recent shows that you binge watched?
Most recent. It was a show called Parenthood. It's a very old show. It's a 2010 show, but I think it was okay. It was good. It has 6 seasons. That was the last
Oh.
I binge watched. You guys?
Nice. Navina?
I binge watched the show Mom twice,
Oh,
like second
nice.
time. And yeah, it was also a lot of seasons.
Yeah, it was I think 8
honestly.
seasons.
Yeah, it's 8 seasons.
Elena?
And I binge watched on so many shows, like so many.
So many.
But the latest one I binge watched was Day Before Yesterday,
Day before
and
yesterday.
that show is called Masaba Masaba.
Oh,
Nice.
Nice.
I love that lady, bro. She's awesome. I liked her. Never have I ever worked out during COVID-19.
I have.
I have.
Everyone has.
Everyone
I
has.
think everyone went through a phase.
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone.
Now is the time.
Yeah, I'm going to glow up right now. I'm going to have a glow up and I'm going to show the world. And then you go back to eating garbage. I think we've eaten so much garbage in the last 1 year.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least I
Yeah.
have.
Done a self photo shoot.
Yes.
Yeah,
I don't
have.
post them anywhere, but I do it.
I
Yeah.
posted like some of them.
Yeah, that's true.
Follow me on Snapchat, you'll get it though. I keep posting on Snap. Never have I ever made a reel.
I have not.
I have. There's one reel
No, I have not.
Yes.
you have not? I think I've like simply shot reels and I've not posted it anywhere.
Oh, I try every single TikTok dance, you know. I try them.
Yeah, I'm not a good dancer, so that's that.
I try them. I didn't say they come out good, no. The recent one I tried was that booty walk challenge by Niana. I can't pronounce her surname, bro.
Was.
And it took me 2 days to learn it.
Huh.
And the third day I forgot it. I have one reel which I made and I didn't even post it. People told me I should have posted it though.
You should.
Never mind. Never have I ever stalked people on Instagram or wherever out of boredom.
I have.
Yeah. Who hasn't? People stalking is bad. Don't stalk people. But everybody has.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, even if I wasn't bored, I used to stalk people.
Again, stalking is bad. Don't stalk.
Yeah. It's illegal.
To the
by
viewers.
way. Yeah, don't
Houses
follow
and
people in real life. You will go to jail.
So there are like 3 questions left. One is like a very juicy one, which I don't expect anyone to say it to like.
Sure.
Please don't lie either.
Don't tell the truth, but don't lie.
Never have I ever bought supplies for a hobby I haven't started yet.
Haven't
I have.
started yet.
Like, not supplies.
I haven't.
But like, I brought that
No, I have.
1,000 puzzle thing. Like, I brought that. And
I bought a puzzle that I never finished.
I started it and then like got annoyed and put everything back in.
Yes. So
So-
I have.
Yeah, so I started candle making and I made one candle and the rest of the stuff is still there.
Nice.
So everyone has then.
Yes.
See? So now the 2 juiciest ones.
Juicy question of the hour.
Never have I ever got into a relationship during COVID.
I have not.
I haven't.
I have not gotten into a relationship without COVID. Without COVID being an aspect in life.
I have never
Aspect in
ever
life.
gotten into any relationship.
Never have I ever. Okay, had a crush on someone during COVID.
Yeah,
Everyone has. This is normal life.
I have. I have more than one.
Peeps, I haven't.
Yes, you have. Shut up. You have.
I haven't. Never have I ever forced a conversation with someone because you miss social interaction.
No, not really. I don't miss social interaction.
Yeah. Even I have not. I
I have. I just sometimes I feel so bored that I beg people to talk to me.
Yeah. Like,
So
if
I
I
don't
meet
wanna
someone,
text-
I can talk to them. Like, honestly, I
And
don't
don't
miss
text
talking to
people
people.
either.
I don't miss
Like,
talking to
I
anyone.
I don't like texting people once there's a boredom level reached. But when I'm really bored, I do something and continue the conversation so that I don't feel bored.
I think I'm a very interesting person. I can entertain myself. No?
Drum roll.
Yeah, you are kind of interesting. I will not lie about that.
I don't need someone like to talk to. I'm fine being alone.
And being alone.
I'm fine being by myself. Exactly.
That's one thing I've discovered during COVID. You don't need as many people as you thought.
And you're happy also
yeah, that's true,
without
that's true.
them.
Yeah. Okay.
I feel like people need to know that they have me.
Oh.
Oh, that
That-
makes
okay.
sense. If
That's
someone
respected.
wants to talk to me, I'll talk to them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm like that.
Yeah, obviously. But then there are conversations that get boring over the time, no?
I think if it gets boring, I just
Then
say
after
bye.
that-
I'll be like, my mom's calling, something's happening. I cut the call and go off.
Yeah.
Text, bro, text.
My mom's calling. I got to go. GTG.
Yeah. I just tell TTYL and then like disappear.
Okay.
Yeah.
So no, you guys haven't and I
No.
have. Okay, so the scores are
Drum roll, please.
okay. So according to my counting, don't tell me I have to do the dare.
And the loser of the competition is
Basically, it's winner, okay? Hello.
It's not winner.
My score is highest.
Is Alina.
Yay!
Fine.
Fine.
Put down your comments as to what she
And,
has to do as a dare. And she will do it in the next episode of Unadulting.
There are rules. There are rules.
There are no rules. Go wild.
No weird stuff.
Go wild in the comments.
There are rules.
We will choose. We will use random comment chooser and choose one comment.
Yeah, no rules, nothing.
Go.
Sure. But don't go over the top, okay?
There are no rules. Go do write whatever you want. Tell her that she should get married. We'll get her married next week.
Yay!
Fine.
You said rules are rules.
Okay. So it has been a fun conversation with my two hosts tonight.
Yeah. Thank you.
And I hope that the viewers will keep seeing me.
We'll
on this
think about
channel.
it.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
subscribe.
this is-
Subscribe to my own channel too. There you can see the actual. Okay, sayonara peeps. Subscribe to Chink and Minks.